What do bourbon and chicken wings have in common? Well, we can answer that for you here at A Side Guy Cooks with Bourbon Street Chicken Wings. So let's get started. Let's prepare the chicken wings. Set your timer for 50 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Let's make the sauce. Bourbon's history is as rich and complex as its flavor. Bourbon emerged in the late 18th century when settlers, many Scottish-Irish descent, brought distilling traditions to Kentucky. The name bourbon likely comes from Bourbon County, Kentucky, or Bourbon Street in New Orleans, named after the French royal house of Bourbon. Since the 1990s, bourbon has seen a resurgence in popularity, and Kentucky alone has more bourbon barrels than they do people. Imagine that. Let's build the dish. Looks like they're ready. Let's get a portion on a plate. Garnish with green onion. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these chicken wings are really seasoned well, ensuring a burst of flavor in every bite. The amazing Bourbon Street sauce seeps into every nook, ensuring a burst of flavor with every bite and adds a glossy finish to the chicken wings. These Bourbon Street chicken wings are absolutely delicious. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now those are some amazing chicken wings. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.